Let's learn how to remove reposts on TikTok 2023. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tutor. If you've ever wondered how to remove a video which you have reposted on TikTok, you're in the right place. Sometimes you repost the TikTok video by mistake or you've decided to change your mind once you have reposted a video. Thus, in this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the TikTok app on your device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. So first let me show you how to repost TikTok video. Now, go through For You page and scroll through the TikTok videos. Once you find the video you want to repost, tap on the share icon located at right of the screen. Then, you'll see the repost icon here. Just simply tap on it to repost it to your follower. Once it has been reposted, you'll see a label saying you have reposted just above the username. In order to remove the repost, you need to go to your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to access your profile. Next, go to Repost section and you'll see your repost video here. Just simply tap on the video you wish to remove. Then tap on Share icon again. Then, you'll see the Remove Repost icon here. Just tap on it and the repost will automatically be removed from the video. And that's how you can remove your repost on TikTok app. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.